You love the freedom and peace only the open seas can provide. You also love connecting your boat with nature. However, smoldering, smelly, and loud engines can really ruin your fun, not to mention the ever-rising fuel costs. But now, there's a solution. Introducing Amperetta. Amperetta is a revolutionary and fully integrated plug-in hybrid drive that allows you to both enjoy the open seas quietly and in an environmentally friendly way. Plus, with Amperetta, you won't need to sacrifice your overall performance and range. Amperetta Hybrid Drive automatically switches to optimum mode for maximum operation. Looking for more power? The modern diesel engine automatically starts and loads when you want to kick things into high gear. This means not only higher reaches, but also up to 50% less fuel consumption. But it doesn't stop there. Various riding modes enable riders to enjoy license-free travel, pure electric driving on protected waters, high power in the generator mode to arrive with full batteries. Best of all, with mobile communications, you'll always be in control of the data board. Now, you can spend time being the captain of your boat, not the petrol pump. Huge fuel savings means a slightly higher initial cost is quickly amortized. So sit back, relax in your economical and environmentally friendly boat without ever compromising performance or range. Amperetta, proudly made in Germany.